Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel at CarOg 765. If you love classic American cars, vintage designs, and the golden era of Detroit iron, then you are in the right place. On this channel we talk about legendary machines, their history, their style, and the stories that made them icons. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to CarOg 765 and support the channel for more classic car videos just like this one. Today we are taking a deep and respectful look at a car that represents simplicity, reliability, and true American character, the 1952 Ford Mainline. This car may not always get the same spotlight as flashy convertibles or high-performance models, but the Ford Mainline has its own strong personality. It was built for everyday people, for families, and for a nation that was moving forward after World War II. The 1952 Ford Mainline is not just a car, it is a symbol of honest engineering and practical beauty. When Ford introduced the Mainline, it was positioned as the entry-level full-size car in Ford's lineup. Above it were the Custom Line and the Crest Line, which offered more luxury and chrome. But the Mainline was designed to be affordable, durable, and easy to maintain. This was a time when Americans wanted dependable transportation, and Ford understood that perfectly. The Mainline delivered exactly what people needed without unnecessary extras. The exterior design of the 1952 Ford Mainline is clean, smooth, and very balanced. It carries the classic early 1950s Ford styling with rounded lines and a confident stance. The front end features a simple yet bold grille with horizontal bars, framed by round headlights that give the car a friendly and welcoming face. The hood flows gently into the fenders, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. It is not aggressive, but it is strong and dignified. From the side, the Mainline shows beautiful proportions. The body is long and low, with subtle curves that reflect the design language of the era. There is no excessive chrome, which actually makes the car look more honest and purposeful. The simplicity of the trim highlights the shape of the body itself. The roofline is smooth, and the large windows provide excellent visibility, something drivers truly appreciated in daily use. At the rear, the 1952 Ford Mainline continues its understated charm. The trunk is wide and practical, and the taillights are simple and elegant. Everything about the design feels intentional and functional. This car was made to be used, driven, and trusted, not just admired from a distance. Step inside the 1952 Ford Mainline, and you immediately feel the atmosphere of early 1950s America. The interior is straightforward and comfortable. The bench seats are wide, allowing plenty of room for passengers. Upholstery materials were durable, built to handle years of use. Ford focused on comfort and practicality rather than luxury, and that decision made the Mainline very popular among working families. The dashboard design is simple and easy to understand. Large gauges are placed directly in front of the driver, making it easy to read speed and engine information. The controls are basic but solid, and everything feels mechanical and real. There are no distractions, just the essentials needed to enjoy the drive. This simplicity is part of the Mainline's charm and one of the reasons it remains beloved by classic car enthusiasts today. Under the hood, the 1952 Ford Mainline offered reliable engine options that were well suited for everyday driving. One of the most common engines was the Ford Flathead V8, an engine that helped build Ford's reputation around the world. This V8 was smooth, torquey, and dependable. It may not sound extreme by modern standards, but in its time, it provided confident performance and a pleasant driving experience. Ford also offered inline-six cylinder engines, which were known for their fuel efficiency and durability. These engines made the Mainline even more affordable to own and operate. Whether you chose the V8 or the six-cylinder, you got an engine that was easy to service and built to last. That reliability is one of the main reasons why so many of these cars survived and are still running today. Driving a 1952 Ford Mainline is a completely different experience compared to modern cars, and that is exactly what makes it special. The steering feels connected, the suspension is soft, and the ride is smooth, especially on long roads. You don't rush in this car. You cruise, you relax, and you enjoy the journey. The Mainline encourages a slower, more thoughtful style of driving, where the road and the car become part of the experience. In the early 1950s, cars like the Ford Mainline played a huge role in American daily life. Families used them for work, shopping, road trips, and weekend outings. This car was there for important moments, small adventures, and everyday routines. It became part of the family, not just a machine. That emotional connection is something modern cars often struggle to achieve. The 1952 Ford Mainline also reflects Ford's philosophy at the time. Henry Ford believed in building cars for the masses, and the Mainline stayed true to that idea. It was affordable, easy to own, and dependable. Ford focused on quality engineering and strong construction, which helped the brand earn trust from millions of customers. Today, the 1952 Ford Mainline is appreciated by collectors and classic car lovers for its authenticity. It represents a pure form of automotive design, before excessive electronics and complicated systems. Restored examples are admired for their originality, while custom builds show how versatile this platform can be. Whether stock or modified, the Mainline has a strong presence and timeless appeal. One of the beautiful things about the Ford Mainline is that it does not try to be something it is not. It does not pretend to be a luxury car or a high-performance machine. It is honest, simple, and proud of its role. That honesty is rare and refreshing, especially in today's automotive world. For many enthusiasts, owning a 1952 Ford Mainline is about preserving history. It is about keeping alive the memory of a time when cars were built with clear purpose and solid craftsmanship. Every detail, from the body lines to the engine sound, tells a story of American industry and innovation. When you see a 1952 Ford Mainline on the road or at a car show, it stands out not because it is flashy, but because it feels real. It reminds us of a time when driving was about freedom, exploration, and connection. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. As we come to the end of this video, it is clear that the 1952 Ford Mainline deserves respect and appreciation. It may have been an entry-level car, but its impact was huge. It served millions of people faithfully and helped shape the automotive landscape of the 1950s. That legacy is something worth celebrating. If you enjoyed this deep appreciation of the 1952 Ford Mainline, make sure to like the video and share it with fellow classic car lovers. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to @CarAug 765 for more classic American car stories, reviews, and history. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.